Hello, welcome to Python Challenge for All. Okay, so what shall we do today? Actually, last time we drew Sierpiński carpet by recursive function calls. Okay, it was a very interesting shape, right? So it was like this by calling the no, this is Sierpiński Carpet. Yeah, by calling Hilbert curve 9 times, and eight times plus one skip, we can draw recursively Sierpiński Carpet well. So this time we will try to draw the same Sierpiński Carpet, but in a very interesting way using L system. Okay, let's try to do L system substitution. So we will just start as usual from the same way as we did previously. Like for example, like arrowhead. Okay, 138. We drew Sierpiński gasket using L system. So we will use this Lsys interpreter and also drawer. Okay, what's new? We will start the axiom starter with just a simple f with set heading of 45 degrees. Why is it 45 degrees? So anyway, we will try from f, upper f, and then set heading 45. Okay, and then introduce lowercase f to denote a forward move without drawing. We will use lowercase f also to just go ahead without uh, drawing. So the rule is like this. F goes to F plus F minus F. F. Wow, 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 strange. And in the middle, there's lowercase f. So just believe me and follow me. So there's only one case which goes as F plus F minus F minus F minus. Okay, that's the former half. And then comes lowercase f, and the former half flip together. And the vice versa. So plus f plus f plus f minus f. Okay, so there are four f's, and then plus minus 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 in the first half, and plus 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 minus in the second half, and lowercase at the middle. Okay, the second rule is f goes to just small three f's. Okay, f, all in lowercase. Okay, this is the simple rule, but it should work. Okay, actually, this is all. This will f into four f's, small f, four f's to formulate the diagonal piece with turning of 90 degrees. Okay, let's take a look. So, how should we go from here? Maybe we can go slowly from um, 3, okay, by the tracer without keeping the tracer, okay? And then, and also before starting, I remember one thing. Yeah, I need a rule for F, okay? So if it is upper F, we draw a line forward by S. But in case of small f, lower f, as I said, if equals smaller f, okay, in that case, I go without drawing anything. So t dot pen up, and then um, t dot forward s, and then pen down. Okay, this should be good for smaller f. Okay, and set heading. Hmm. Yeah, we should also change this set heading to 45 as well. Okay, and also draw. Yeah, draw. The third element should be always 90. Okay. Okay, let's try this to see how it looks like. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Huh, strange. But anyway, okay, it's working something. So now it's okay. So let's fix the starting place to be negative 200, negative 200. And let's go further with a tracer off. Okay, slowly. Let's take a look slowly. Okay, go. 0, 1, 2, 3. Ha! 4. It's becoming to be yeah, Sierpiński carpet. It's a bit big, so maybe I should change this to 5, and the magnitude should be 3 to the D. Okay, let's say it again. It's interesting that you saw that. So an intriguing diagonal segment, like a spin, evolves into a Sierpiński carpet. Okay, let's run it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, all of a sudden there comes Sierpiński carpet. Yeah, it's very intriguing. Okay, so just as the final, we will do uh, the total edge length analysis. Just like the other time, we will do the same thing. So we'll copy, yeah. So in at clear, we will initialize total L as 0 and print, yeah, just copy from the last code about, and also here we will do the same thing. In the draw, we will do global total L, and when I call upper F, uh, I will increment total F by S. Okay, right? Good. And then lastly, we will use print the same way as print D, and then well, just in case, len L, len S, and then um, total integer total L, and total L divided by total L divided by 8 over 3 to the power of D. Okay, instead we will just comment this out here. Okay, let's run it. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Yeah, as you can see, the total line length is growing, but the growing speed is by the magnitude of 8 over 3. Yeah, and as you can see, as the growth is. Okay, so it goes to infinity. I hope you enjoy this L system drawing and come back again for next time. Bye bye.